We'll start out by opening the Apple App Store and type in Synopsys. It's a free version. We'll go ahead and click Get. The reason you'll see Synopsys and words like Indiana University is because that's the school that created the program. And Synopsys is UCSBGlobal's internal program name. The UCSB version of Synopsys is UCSBGlobal. And it's a free app, so once it downloads, you'll click Open, and it will take you to where we will log in. Of course, we'll click UC Santa Barbara, and then it says this will be stored as your default university. That's okay. Let's go ahead. And the icon has now changed to Synopsys. You'll see that it says Synopsys on the app name, but the icon shows that it's UCSB Global. So we'll open UCSB Global and go to Login. Click Login again. And here we'll just log in with our UCSB single sign-on. And it will send us a push notification through Duo Mobile. This part's really important to hit allow to allow Synopsys to send you notifications. And to submit a new request, you'll just go to the bottom right, click Requests, F1 Student Services, and here's everything you need to submit eForm requests.